Although market sales have been on an increase, we did not sell out last weekend. So what do I do with the unused flowers? So there's a couple of things I do with the flowers. I sometimes give them to other vendors, or I'll set them out for free to the neighbors. I'll make an arrangement for my mom, or I'll create one for myself for our bedroom, or even somewhere in our house. So my 8-year-old mini-me who's recording this video created her own beautiful arrangement. Then you're gonna see me make this arrangement for our room. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, seeing the different arrangements. Peace, love, and flowers.